Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? It's Apro Tech Review. This is Camon 18. So I want us to do unboxing for this Camon 18. If you haven't seen this, it was released in previous months, but you can do unboxing. You see the best features on this. So before we do unboxing, let's first talk about the packaging. So in the packaging, we have here the written Camon 18. So under this company, which is Tecno, then to see on its features which are written on the packaging, we have 128 GB ROM plus 4 GB RAM. Yeah, it's made in China. It comes with Android 11. So let's go ahead, we do unboxing. We see the best features for this. So the packaging comes with seal. This is the seal. So if you are to do unboxing, you have to first check the seal for the box to know that it's original. Then once we go ahead, we see that it comes with 48 megapixel triple camera. Then the size is 6.8 screen display. As you can see, the packaging is very big, which shows that the phone inside is very big. So let's go ahead, let's first cut this. Yeah guys, so this is the phone. It comes under the packaging. It has the phone and the headsets. Let's check the type of the headsets. These are the new type compared to previous headsets of Tecno. These are a bit nice. We shall check the sound quality later. So it has the cable. It comes with USB type C. As you can see, this is type C. Yeah, and then it comes with a 18 watts charger, super charger. So this one is, compared to other, this one is too fast charger. Yeah, so it comes also with this plastic cover, yeah, phone cover. So let's go ahead, we check the phone. So this is the phone. It has 48 megapixel rear camera and a 6.8 screen display. And this one is the Helio G880 extreme performance, and 5000 battery with supportive of 8 watts fresh charger. Yes, so let's go ahead. So this is the phone. Before we switch it on, let's first check its design. So this is the camera. It has LED flash and 48 megapixel. This is 48 megapixel, and this one is a 2 megapixel with a 2.4 frames. Focal length 2.4 micro, and a 2 megapixel 2.4 focal length depth. Yeah. Then this one is LED. Then to talk on this design, this one is a glass. It was given a glass backside, and this one is like aluminum but covered with painting. Yeah, so let's go ahead and switch it on. Yeah. So as it's going on, here on the right side, it has the volume buttons, and it has fingerprints embedded in the power button, as you can see. Yeah, then below it has the speaker and the what we call, this one is a type C port. It has the mouthpiece here and the 3.5 headphone jack. 3.5 headphone jack. Then here on this side it has the SIM card slots. So let's go ahead, we check the SIM card slots, we see whether it supports 2 SIM cards. So once you check this one, as you can see, it supports 2 SIM cards and the micro SD card. Okay, so let's do the setup as we go ahead. Let's do the setup from here. Yeah, so guys, this is it, and this is the display of Camon 18. It runs with Android 11 compared to other previous Tecnos. So this is a Camon 18 with HiOS based Android v8.0.0, Android 8, and the chipset of Helio G88. Then the front camera, it has a front camera of 16 megapixel and the rear camera of 48 megapixel. That makes the camera more standard than the previous Camons. Then the battery was more enhanced and improved. If you can see the size, it was increased to 5000 and the screen resolution of 1080 times 2460, which is 2460. Yes. Then if we go ahead, okay, then guys, if we go ahead and we check on the storage, this comes with a 128, but you can also increase it by using a SD card, or you can also buy the one of 6 GB RAM. This one is 4 GB RAM, but you can go ahead and you buy one of 6 GB RAM. It also supports LTE, which is a 4G network. It has 2 SIM cards, nano SIM card and a dual standby. Yeah, so then the camera, it records the picture, it records the video at 1080 at 30 frames per second. So if you're someone who wants to videography, the camera can assist you. As we have seen, it's more of natural. Yeah, so guys, that is it. That's the only and the unboxing that we can do for this Camon 18. But if you want to watch the next video, which will be about the review, you can go ahead and subscribe and like the video so that you don't miss the next review of this Camon 18. All right, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.